fun. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know it must be really nice to see me again. Probably not. I think it's necessary that every now and then you should take yourself out on dates and go have fun by yourself. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है that maybe your friends are busy or whatever. Maybe you don't have any friends. You know what? Actually, the thing is, when I was in my hometown, I used to be more independent. I would have fun by myself, all alone, and I would not even be sad. I would have fun all by myself, and it was really good. So recently, what has happened? Ke I'm very dependent. If I go out, जहाँ भी जाती हूँ, तो I feel the need. I feel the need to be with someone, to go out with someone. I just ask someone. I am afraid to be alone. I was more independent in school and in college. I'm not. What? No. That has to change. So I want my old self to be back. और इसलिए on this day of Sunday, we are going to have fun by ourselves. So we'll go out together and have fun. So recently I have been reading this book. This is called The Mountain Is You. Amazing book. So far it's so good. Or I can do a review on this. I think it's time to get back on track again, right? So let's make a plan. So I'm going out to the city, Dehradun. I was thinking of seeing a movie, going to the movie alone, but I recently watched a movie in theater, so I don't want to go. I'm not really in the mood to watch a movie. So I'm thinking of going to the mall, and I think it's time to get ready. This necklace, my sister gave it to me, and I love this. And so I'm wearing this thanks to my sister, and may God prosper her more and more so that I can have more gifts in this life. This is Dehradun. This is what I think of when I think of Dehradun. Yes, I love this neighborhood so much. So I'm in the bus now. I'm in an electric bus. Now I'm listening to some music. So I hate those annoying bike sound. So I have reached, guys. So I have reached to the mall. I'm going inside now. So the reason I choose कि मैं mall आऊँ is कि मैं movie देख चुकी थी. Number one, we had a plan about movie कि हम movie देखने जा सकते हैं अकेले. But मैंने कुछ दिन पहले ही थिएटर में movie देखी, so I didn't want that. And second of all, हमारा plan था कि हम कोई सी नेचर वाली अच्छी जगह जा सकते थे, but it's too sunny. It's too sunny. I think it's a bad idea कि इतने धूप में मैं परेशान हूँ. तो I don't have a motive, but let's see what we can do. You and me, we can hang out together. There's a book fair, I guess. Oops. Sorry, books. I love books. Let's see. अभी मुझे तो माउंटेन इज यू भी ख़त्म करना है. But जब भी मैं ये देखती हूँ, I feel like getting them. These are the types of books I like. And horror also. I don't like rom-com books. Sorry to the people who like that, but I like, thriller, suspense, crime, horror. That's the kind of books that I enjoy reading. So this is my outfit for today. I love it. कितना प्यारा है. These are so cute. कितना प्यारा है. I want this. I'm not getting this. Should I get this one? लोग डर जाएंगे. I'm in Miniso now. I'm thinking of getting something. I think I have seen this cartoon, but I don't know where. कौन है? I am getting these heat masks because skincare is important. It's food time. I have ordered one meal for myself and now I'm going to eat. I don't like Burger King. I don't like Burger King that much. मेरे को हाल से मैगी इज़ बेटर, पर मैगी यहाँ नहीं था, मैंने कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर दिया क्योंकि मुझे बर्गर ही खाना था. It's fine. That decoration is so pretty. I think that these ponies look hideous. ऐसे पनीज अच्छे लगते हैं, ऐसे cute. Hi. Guess what? I was lying to you all. I am not here alone. I'm with someone very special. It's Naruto, of course. He's with me.
Uzumaki Naruto, tatte ba yo!
We're here together. I'm not alone. So I should give you some update. क्या हुआ? मैं मॉल में बोर हो रही थी. मैंने अपनी चीज़ें जो लेनी थी और उसके बाद खाना खाने के बाद I was like कि मैं करूँ तो करूँ. So I am here for the movie. So I decided कि I should come and watch a movie. I mean, what else could I do? तो मैंने फिर टिकट बुक किया मूवी का और अभी उसके बीच में आधे घंटे का स्पेस था तो अभी तो मैं टाइम पास कर रही हूँ और इसके अलावा कोई और शो नहीं था. मुझे तुम बात देखनी थी कुछ अच्छी खास मूवी लगी है नहीं तो, लेकिन उस शो में यही मूवी थी ये this. So this is the movie that I am going to watch. हमको जो देखनी थी उसका शो बहुत लेट था तुम्बाड़, इसलिए I have to compromise. I compromise. हमको भी चलता है इतना. I'll just wait now. I'm going inside. आगे मैं.
इस योजना की खासियत ये है कि उपभोक्ता अपने घर की छत पर ही
मोदी जी.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के मार्गदर्शन परिणाम दिखने लगे हैं. राज्य सरकार ने गांव के साथ साथ शहरी क्षेत्रों के समग्र और संतुलित विकास पर विशेष ध्यान दिया है.
मजा बेस्ट.
रोजगार के दूरदर्शी कदमों के सहारे उत्तराखंड समृद्धि की तरफ.
मैं तो जानबूझ के अवॉइड कर रही थी. So I'm back from the movies and it is review time. So I watched कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म और मेरे को इस मूवी से कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं थी. मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस यहाँ थी टू बी ऑनेस्ट. तो मुझको इतनी भी डिसअपॉइंटिंग नहीं लगी है मूवी. लाइक ओके है, वन टाइम वॉच है, एक बार देख सकते हो ऐसा. इट वॉज ओके. आई वुड गिव इट आउट ऑफ 5 स्टार्स. आई वुड गिव इट 2.5 स्टार्स क्योंकि इट वॉज ठीक है, एक बार देख सकते हैं. मूवी की स्टोरी वॉज ओके. कॉमेडी थोड़ी क्रिंज थी कहीं बट कहीं ठीक भी थी. मूवी वॉज ऑलराइट. सो आफ्टर ऑल my day went absolutely well. I had so much fun और बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था ये और मैं फिर से ऐसे करूँगी for sure. The thing is कि you should not feel कि कभी तुम अकेले हो तो अकेले घूमने नहीं जा सकते, अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So my girls and boys, be safe और have fun. And it's not like कुछ entertaining करना है अकेले तो कुछ crazy करो. मतलब sometimes it's fine, कर सकते हो, लेकिन mostly it's simple. It could be कि अगर तुम्हें बाहर नहीं जाना हो तो you can do anything sitting in your room. Okay? And I think it is so amazing जब you know how great it feels to spend time with yourself. And it is also about कि you can go outside, have fun, and you can be alone but not lonely. So I had fun. I had so much fun. हाँ, also मैं बुक पढ़ रही थी उसके बाद कुछ टाइम, और अब मैं बोर हो गई हूँ थोड़ा बुक पढ़ के. सो आई विल यूज माई शीट मास्क जो मैं लाई थी. आई विल पुट इट ऑन थोड़ा. आफ्टर दैट probably watch something and I will go to sleep. So that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe.